to my YouTube channel. My name is Panache and thank you very much for tuning in. So guys, today I am in Harare, Zimbabwe, and right now I'm just about to leave. I'm going to be going to visit or to go and see the new restaurant. I heard that there is a branch that is already in Victoria Falls. So this new branch, the Harare branch, recently opened, I think just 2 weeks ago. And you know, everybody has been saying it's good, some have been saying it's not. Everybody has been just having their own opinions on this restaurant. So I'm just here trying to get ready so that I can go and have a look at it myself and actually, you know, experience it myself, and you know, whether or not it is what people are saying or not. But from the views that I've been, the videos that I've been seeing, I think so far so good. I love the views there. So why not just go and see it for myself, and you guys are going to come along. So guys, this is my outfit. This is my outfit. Oh, it doesn't. So, for now, I think maybe tutangane ku Greendale. Ndombosvika paGreendale ndozoona kuti ndinoita sei futi, asi zvezvitombo nepaGreen. Kuri kupisa. Kuri kupisa, rikuita kugocha zuva racho.
Kutoswima chaiyo.
Zviri nyore kune vanogona, isu manje tisingagone.
Inga nematyira ndoita mvura. Ina ndinogona. Mvura ndoitya singaiti.
Kana ini papa aiwa. Ukatopushidzirwa muswimming pool zvatopera zvangu. Saka irodi ino ichi inonzani, irodi yehotel iyi inonzi chii?
Union. But yaneka mwakazita katulungopiwa kuti panjo Union ave.
Okay.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good.
So I wanted to go and just have a look at food lovers and stuff, but I then say to myself, let me do what I came here to do first, then we'll continue.
I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up today.
So guys, this is Three Monkeys, Harare, Zimbabwe. So if you ever visit Zimbabwe, make sure you visit Three Monkeys. It's located, I think, Greendale, if I'm not mistaken. And this is the place, this is the area. So I am not going to be sitting in to have lunch. They said it's fully booked until Tuesday. And I had seen that if you want to, like, you can just walk in. So that's why I never made a reservation or anything like that, because they said maybe booking is only 10 people onwards, but they are fully booked, so that's fine. So make sure if you just want to come, you know, just so you don't just so you're safe, just make sure that you book a table before you come. But I am happy that they let me have a look around. They let me have a, it's like packed, guys, like people are coming in. I'm just happy they let me have a look, so not really disappointed. I'm just happy I got here, and I think their food is amazing. So unfortunately on Tuesday I would have gone back to SA, so I can't, you know, make a reservation. Hi, how are you?
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
I'm trying to see what I can get, guys, but the prices, they're killing me. I have no idea what this is. Maybe I could get something to drink, and then after I can go, because I don't know what's this, because apparently it's in Zim dollars. I don't know, is this Zim dollars or dollars? I don't know. Okay, maybe let me try to get something to drink. Hello.
How are you? Hi.
Good, thank you. Can I please have one? Okay, so I'm back. I wanted to buy a horse roll there. Now I have to go and pay inside. Okay guys, so they gave me back $5. It's like starting over in a new country, this thing. Okay, and they said 11 cents or something of voucher, so because there's nothing for that, at least plastic, I have no idea. So I just got a Fanta. Now I'm going to get the roll, and then we leave. But yeah, hey, Marizacho, Marizacho, I have no idea. Is it done now?
Yes, it's done.
Yay. So I got my Burvos roll, and now I don't know what I'm thinking. I'm thinking, do I call that taxi guy so he can come, or do I wait a bit, or I can go back to the hotel and then think of the next place we can go to. I think that's it. Thank you. Okay, so I think let me call him and tell him I'm done. I'm back, guys. I am back. So maybe I'm just going to leave my plastic in the room, and then I go chill outside and also show you guys the pool. the poolside. Okay, Indigo. I thought I was lost. So I'm back, and I just have to have this. Going down foot. Yeah, I'm not the right one. Okay, let's wait a bit. Can I put it? Is that just this way? Okay. There. Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm back. Oh, this. Make sure you go and visit. I'm going to buy this when you come to Zim. It tastes really good, and the customer service is also top notch. I'm just gonna relax a bit before I think of where next to head to. Okay. Hey guys, so I am just sitting, chilling. Just sitting here. I am going to go downstairs to the poolside so that I can show you guys, just in case you didn't watch my previous video. Please do so that you can see the room tour and, you know, just keep up to date to how we got here. I'm so tired, like my feet hurt so bad. So I'm just sitting here, and then I'm just going to go outside. I don't know what I should do next. What's the time now? Let me check. It's 5 minutes. It's 5 minutes to 2. Since it's 5 minutes to 2 now, maybe by 3 o'clock or something, I should be looking for something else to do. But besides that, for now, I think I'm just going to end this vlog. Okay, I have to go to the poolside, then I'll end it there for you guys. But so far, for now, all's good. I feel relaxed, and yeah, it's just good to be in Sim. It's always a good feeling to be in Sim. And yeah, we thank God. All glory, all praise goes to God. All right, all the time. So yeah, guys, check you guys later. There's nothing to watch. Like, let me show you these channels that are here. Nothing to watch. There is Wi-Fi though, but I don't feel like doing anything or like watching anything. So let me rest a bit, then we go to the pool.